Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie. And for today's video, I wanted to do a little experiment for my birthday because today's my birthday and it's a special day. And I was like, I want to do something special for my birthday. Alright, so for today's video, I want to do a little experiment where I am going to divide my hair in two. On one side, I'm going to do a deep conditioning, and on the other side, I'm just going to leave my conditioner, my hair conditioner. Why do I want to do this? Because I'm really curious to see the difference in my hair when I use a deep conditioner and when I just use a conditioner. I don't know about you guys, but personally, a lot of time I just leave my conditioner in my hair for the remaining of my shower, and I pretend that it acts like a mask or that it is a deep conditioning. So I really want to see what the difference is going to be between a hair mask and just conditioning. So here's how I'm going to do my hair throughout this video. Today's day 3. I work out twice in 3 days. My hair is like, I am done, wash me. So I'm gonna wash my hair with the same line of product. We're gonna use the Sun Bum, the Curls and Wave line from Sun Bum. If you're curious about it, I have a review that I will link right there for you. I'm gonna use the shampoo all over my hair and then the conditioner. I am going to divide my hair in two, rinse the conditioner on one side, and that's the side that I will apply the mask. The mask I'm going to use is the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration hair mask with Manuka, honey, and Mafura oil. This is what the bottles look like. If you follow me for a while, you know that I absolutely adore this mask, to which I will add a few drops of my DIY hair oil. I'm running out soon, so I will probably be doing a video on how I make and use this oil all over my hair. So on the side where I use the mask, I will let it sit for about 10 minutes. The other side will have just the conditioner from Sun Bum, and I will let all that sit for about 10 minutes, maybe longer if I can. And then we will rinse it out, and then I will style my hair with the same products all over. The products that I will use, I'm not sure which one I'll use yet, but I can tell you there's gonna be a leave-in and a gel. Then I will diffuse and we shall see the result. So with no further ado, I am going to my bathroom. I'm not sure if I'll bring you with me. I'll bring you with me. So I'll see you in my bathroom. See you in a second. All right, so first I am washing my hair with shampoo from Sun Bum. Then I'm using the conditioner from Sun Bum also. To detangle, make sure that I start from the bottom of my hair and work my way up. Once my hair is detangled, I part it in two sides. I'm trying my best to make those two sides the same, but apparently I failed. On one side, I apply a little bit more conditioner and then I braid my hair. Now I rinse the other side and I will apply my mask that I will mix with my oil. Then I braid my hair and put it up. I set my timer for 10 minutes and I go about my shower. Alright you guys, I am all said and done. My hair is rinsed out. I got out the shower and, you know, dressed up. I even took a little break to eat a little something because I was getting hungry. So now what I'm going to do is keep my hair separated. This side is the side with only conditioner. This side is the side with the mask and oil. I'm gonna have to re-wet because I've been out the shower for about an hour now, and I think it's time to re-wet. So I am going to style my hair with the Jessie Curl products. Originally I wanted to wash and condition my hair with Jessie Curl, but I realized that my conditioner from Jessie Curl is a dip conditioner, which defeats the purpose. So so I decided to go with Sun Balm Curly hairline, and it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Rocking Ringlets as a leave-in and the Spiralicious as a gel. My hair is still pretty wet actually. I'm gonna style my hair the same way on both sides. I think I'm gonna hand curl here and there and scrunch the majority of my hair, and then I will diffuse. I will do my best to keep the separation while diffusing, and that's that. All right, you guys, I'm gonna start the whole process. Alright guys, I'm all set and done styling my hair. So far, no drastic difference between the side that only had conditioner and the side that had a dip conditioning mask. I think I will see most of the difference once I diffuse my hair, which I am going to do right about now, and I will see you guys in 1 second. See you in a second. All right, my love, this is it. This is the end result. What can I tell you so far? Well, when I was diffusing my hair, the side that only had the conditioner was way faster to dry than the side that had the dip conditioning. Also, I can tell right now, and I was done diffusing maybe 10 minutes ago, that my hair looks, on the conditioner only side, my hair already kind of flies out. It looks a lot more drier. Let me just focus on there for a little bit. It looks a lot more drier on this side than it does on that side. You see the difference on that side where it looks a lot more shinier. My hair feels heavier, but I have a really nice definition. Everybody sticks together. I feel like all the curls are clumped together, as opposed to this side where the curls are starting to fly already. You see what I'm saying? And it does feel lighter weight. Now, it's not like a drastic difference. It's not like, oh my gosh, I need to rinse this side. It's actually very settled, but it does make a big difference in how my curls react to the styling product. Now, I use the same styling technique on both sides. I use the same product on both sides, and I diffused my hair the same way on both sides. So the result that you see the difference between the two sides are 100% due to the deep conditioning mask that I apply. What else did I want to say? I have a feeling that within the end of the day, this side is gonna start, the hair is gonna fly a lot more, and I will lose a lot of my curl definition. And this side might hold up a little bit better together. So we shall see how that goes. I'll try to snap a picture, or maybe come back in front of you to show you how my hair looks, but to be honest, I doubt that I'll have time to do that, just because will be on mommy duty. I'm sorry, I'm like super hot. It's like mid-August and I had to diffuse my hair for like 10 minutes. What else can I say? Oh, one more thing. Regarding the conditioner, you just want you guys to know that it's not always a good thing to leave your conditioner in your hair as if it was a mask. Some conditioners have sulfate in them, a little bit of sulfate, and that may end up drying your hair more than hydrating your hair. So I'm not saying do not use your conditioner as a mask type of thing. All I'm saying is be very careful at the ingredient list. Make sure that there's no sulfate in there that will end up drying your hair a little bit more than it should. And it's always better to use a product that is meant to do what you want it to do, if that makes any sense. So use the conditioner to condition your hair, and then rinse it off, and then put something a little bit heavier, and then leave it in for the rest of your shower. So when I did put the timer, I put it for 10 minutes, and I just, you know, went about my shower, and I realized that my shower lasted 10 minutes. I was shaving my legs, I was, you know, scrubbing my body, and then before I knew it, 10 minutes was gone, and I just had to rinse my hair. So it's not really taking that long to do a quick deep conditioning once a week. Personally, I like the result of the clumped up curls, hydrated curls. I don't mind this side at all, but I know that this look right now, as I just get out the diffuser, it's not gonna last. It's gonna get, you see, I'm already losing my curl definition here, which is not happening at all on this side. See how clumped they are together? So this is a huge, huge difference. Now it all depends for what style you're going for. If you don't mind the flying wavy hair more than the curly defined hair, this is completely up to you. I know that throughout the summer I was a whole lot about wavy, flying everywhere type of hair more than definition. But yeah, I think it's healthier for your hair to do the deep conditioning. So I highly recommend you guys do your deep conditioning once a week, see the results, see how you like it on your hair, and I bet you that the day 2 hair even looks better. Anyway, my love, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you do your deep conditioning once a week, and how do you do it? Do you do it more often than once a week? Does it work for you? I feel like if I do it more than once a week, my curls get a little too overhydrated, if that makes any sense. But yeah, let me know in the comments how you guys do your thing, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you think it can help them in their hair journey. And then voila, I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.